بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وصلى الله على النبي الكريم محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين. So you were there in the topic, the division of the estate of a dead one. When there is a mubayana, means a distinctiveness in numbers between the estate and the adjustment. Then multiply the shares of every hair from the actual adjustment. In the whole of the estate, then divide that by adjustment. This is a magic. Yes. Science of inheritance? Yes. The whole world does not know that. Only Islam knows that. Because this came where from? From Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the Holy Quran. Got it? If you will take only one question, and I will give you the formula even, and you will go to the department chairman of mathematics, yes, he will be able to do that. Got it? So the case was like this. Zayd died. He left behind his father, his mother, and two daughters. Now here, the father is sharer, the mother is sharer, and the daughters are sharers as well. وَلِأَبَوَيْهِ لِكُلِّ وَاحِدٍ مِّنْهُمَا السُّدُسُ إِنْ كَانَ لَهُ وَلَدٌ. Quran Kareem says if the deceased has a child, male or female. So from the very beginning, the parents, the father and mother both, they will take 1/6 of the property. Everyone will take 1/6 of the property. When there is no male child and female children are more than one, so they will take 2/3. So now father will take 1/6, mother will take 1/6, and two daughters will take 2/3. So what will be the common denominator? 6. Yes or not?
Yes.
Common denominator will be 6. Father will take 1. Mother will take 1. Two daughters will take
2 and 2.
Huh?
2 and 2.
2. Got it? Now, the whole estate is $7. Now this comes adjustment. The adjustment number is 6, while the dollar number is 7. The nisba in relation between 6 and 7 is that of tabayun or distinctiveness, because neither it can divide this, nor this one can divide that, nor a third digit there is which can divide both of them. So that's why it is called
Tabayun.
tabayun. So now what should be done?
Multiply.
Multiply the share of the father, which is 1, into the estate. This is 1 multiplied by
Estate.
7. Got it?
Yes.
Then divide the 7 by the adjustment. Six, which is 6. So the share of father will be 1.1 over $6.
Yeah. Much.
How much it will be?
1.6.
1 full dollar? Huh?
No.
And 1/6 of a dollar. 1 full dollar and 1/6 of a dollar. Got it? If the number would have been 6 here, so you would have taken $1. But now there is an extra dollar. Same will be the case of the mother. She will be taking
1 and 1/6. 1 and 1/6.
1
And 1/6.
and 1/6. And same will be the case of the daughters as well. Multiply 2 into what?
7.
7. Huh? Do it.
2 and a third.
Huh?
2 and a third.
14.
Over 6. 2 and a third.
Huh?
1 over 3.
No, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
2 1 over 3 and this one also. 2 1 over 3. Then calculate it. So the number will become
7.
the same 7. Got it?
Mashallah.
That's how. And if the nisbah, the relation between the estate and the adjustment is that of tawafuq, tawafuq means agreeability
Third number.
between the adjustment and the estate, then multiply the shares of everyone in the wafaq of the estate. Got it?
Yes.
And then divide it by the wafaq of the adjustment. Got it?
Well,
Like, that was 8. So now there is tawafuq. Tawafuq mean,
third number.
huh?
A third number.
A third number can divide this estate, adjustment, and this estate. The adjustment and the estate.
2.
So, what is that third number?
2.
2. So that's called tawafuq bin nisf. Tawafuq
Bin nisab.
bin nisf. So now, here you don't need to multiply it by 8, but by 4, which is the nisf.
Yeah.
And half.
2/3.
Got it? No? By 3. Tawafuq. Here you took tawafuq, so there you tawafuq. So how much will come?
1 and a third.
Huh?
1 and a third.
1 and a third. Yes. In the first case, he was taking 1 and a sixth, and now he is taking
1 and a third.
1 and a third. Furthermore, inshallah, وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وآله وصحبه أجمعين يا الله.